How to make the most delicious ragu bolognese sauce, ideal for bolognese, ravioli or as a lasagne base. In a saucepan, add the butter. Then add the pancetta pieces and stir until it's cooked through. Then add the onion, followed by the celery and the carrot. Stir it round for a while. Then add in your mushrooms, followed by 2 bay leaves. Try and tuck the bay leaves in so that you get the flavour out of them. Then you need to add your minced steak. Try not to mix it round too much at the initial stage. Eventually it'll start to cook through. Then add your tomato passata. Followed by your stock. Then your red wine. Then add in your ground nutmeg, followed by some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir to combine, and then you want to simmer the ragu with a lid on the top. This first stage simmer takes around an hour and a half. Next, you're going to add the milk. Give it a good stir round, and this time leave the lid off. You're going to need to simmer it for around about half an hour to 40 minutes until you're really happy with the consistency that you want your sauce to be. And there you have it, the most delicious ragu bolognese sauce made from scratch, no jars needed.